The central government on Monday, that is 5th September, announced that it has decided to rename the historic Rajpath and Central Vista lawns in New Delhi as Kartavya Path. TMC leader Mahua Moitra, who always makes it to the headlines for a criticism of the central government and the ruling BJP and its policies, came down heavily on the government once again. Taking a swipe at the central government, Mahua Moitra said that she hopes that the new official residence of the Prime Minister will be named Kin Kartavya Vimur Math, which literally means bewildered monastery. The road and the area from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose statue at India Gate C hexagon to the Rashtrapati Bhavan will reportedly be known as Kartavya Path. The pathway was created as a ceremonial boulevard during colonial rule and was designed on the lines of Kingsway in London. I believe they are renaming Rajpath as Kartavya Path, the TMC MP tweeted. I hope they will name the new Prime Minister's residence as Kin Kartavya Vimur Math. Along with the tweet, the Lok Sabha member from Krishnanagar also shared an excerpt from Sukumar Ray's book, considered one of the best nonsense stories of Bengali literature. In the children's novella, one used to give strange names to everything. A special meeting of New Delhi Municipal Council has been convened on September 7th to consider the proposal to rename Rajpath as Kartavya Path. Rajpath was formerly known as Kingsway. It is the celebrated venue of the Republic Day parade every year and stretches through Vijay Chowk to India Gate. Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his Independence Day speech this year had given Panch Pran call to its citizens during Azadi Ka Amrit Kal, and one of the resolves was duty of the citizens. He also stressed on the abolition of symbols relating to colonial mindset. Both these factors can be seen behind the naming of Kartavya Path. In 2015, Aurangzeb Road was renamed APJ Abdul Kalam Road. In 2017, Dalhousie Road was renamed Dara Shikoh Road. Also, Teen Murti Chowk was changed to Teen Murti Haifa Chowk in 2018. There have been several proposals to rename Akbar Road, but nothing has been done yet. The redevelopment project of the Central Vista, the nation's power corridor, also envisages a new triangular parliament building, a common central secretariat, a new residence of the Prime Minister, a Prime Minister's office, and a new Vice President's enclave.